Nathan, and I am going to show you how to assemble your Spot. You ready? Okay. Alright, so the Spot just has two pieces. So this is pretty easy. Okay, so you should have in your box a big circle of vinyl. If it's not already done, make sure it is right side out, not inside out. And then you should have this big bag of shredded foam. So what we're going to do is put the shredded foam in the vinyl. So the zipper is right here in the middle of the vinyl bag. Make sure it's totally unzipped. What we're going to do is open this up and we are going to get it in there. Okay, so at this point I've got the vinyl underneath the foam. And so we're going to just kind of get one half of it in and then go from there. So you open that cover up and just try and stick this in here. Alright, so I've got half of it in. So I'll switch this over here for you so you can see. Okay, so you see we kind of have this weird looking shape at this point. It's going to even itself out once we zip it. So find the start of the zipper, which in my case is over here. And what you're going to do is try and pull this at the same time as you're zipping it. So, zipper.